आजच्या या प्रोग्रामात आमचे मध्ये आसात आमचे सर रॉय सर जे फंक्शनाचे चीफ गेस्ट आसात, म्हजे सेक्रेटरी बाब प्रकाश देसाई, म्हजे वायस प्रेसिडेंट बाब कवेंद्र, आमचे एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मेंबर बाब विराज, आमचे ट्रेजरर मिस्टर विवेक पडियार आणि आमच्या तिन्ही इन्स्टिट्यूशनाची हेड प्रिन्सिपल एडविन बेरेटो आणि मिस बेरेटो अँड मिस अमिता सावंत देसाई आनीक हांगा जमिल्ले जे जे विंगड वांगड जे प्रत्येक कॉलेजींतल्यान पयस कॉलेजींतल्यान हिंगा येयल्ले आसात. ऑस्कार सरा एक बरो आमचो ऑस्कार सर जो बरो एथलीट आशिल्लो आनी बरो रनर आशिल्लो आनीक तेणें कितलींशीं नामनेची इनामां जोडलेलीं. आमगेलो टिचर आशिल्लो त्या खातीर म्हाका तेज्या विशयी चड आदर आसा आनीक सांगपाक खरें बरें दिसता. तो सदांच फीट रावतालो आनी सगळ्यांक फीट रावपाचो मंत्र दितालो. आज ही ऑस्कर मेमोरियल रेस घडोवन हाडला तेज्या फॅमिलीन, ताका खातीर तेंच्या खातीर हांव तांकां शाबासकी दिता आनी तेंच्या खातीर एक ताळी जावपाक जाय. तांच्या भुरगीं मुद्दाम नांवां घेता ऑस्लिटा, ऑस्लिन आनी ऑल्विता आनी तेजी घरकान्न ही सदांच स्पोर्ट्सा खातीर आमच्या कॉलेजीक, आमच्या स्कुलाक आनी आमच्या हायर सेकंडरीक तांचो हातभार आसता सदांच. आनीक आज ही रेस घडोवन हाडपाचो मेन उद्देश म्हळ्यार यंग टॅलंटांक आपले टॅलंट दाखोवपाक, आपले जी एनर्जी आसा ती दाखोवपाक. हांव जितले जितले फिजिकल डायरेक्टर जे पयसान येयलात आपल्या भुरग्यांक घेवन तेंचे वेलकम करता, तांकां स्वागत करता आनी ह्या सगळे जे जे रनर्स आसात, यंग टॅलंटेड रनर्स, तांकां शुभेच्छा दिता, ऑल द बेस्ट म्हणटा आनी म्हजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता.
I am honored to be here present today to be invited for this event. It's a pleasure because I was part of C.E.S and I was with the late Oscar Gracias. I must thank the family and the C.E.S for giving me this opportunity to be here. It is said that it's not the years in your life that count, but the life in your years. I say this is a quote from Abraham Lincoln. I say this because Oscar life was packed with lot of things. I can name only 3. First and foremost, Oscar wore many hats, but he wore those hats with distinction. As a son, as a brother, as a husband, as a father, as a grandfather to his family, as a friend to all of us, as a good teacher in C.E.S Parivar. He also dabbled in politics for one term as a councillor of Cuncolim Municipal Council. He also took part in the parish activities. So I can say he was an all-rounder, a multi-talented personality. But what was more passionate for him was sports, athletics. Because I remember even before I could join the higher secondary way back in 1986, I would see Oscar taking part in the open athletic meets of Assolna, Velip, Cuncolim, especially in shot put and in sprints.
Oscar memorial run.
Yes.
So what do you want to say about that?
Today I am very happy because it was my off season now because I was having my middle distance events, so very proud to be second place today. I thank my coach Patrick sir who was training me.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.